Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to uninstall Roblox Laptop. Chapter 1. How to uninstall Roblox Laptop from settings. To start, enter Roblox in the search box. Click Uninstall on Roblox Player. Now locate Roblox Player, click on the three dots and select Uninstall. Confirm this process and wait for Roblox to be uninstalled from your system. Chapter 2. How to uninstall Roblox Laptop from Control Panel. To start, in the search box, enter Control. Click on Uninstall a program. You're going to locate Roblox Player. When doing so, click on Uninstall. Wait for this process to be completed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.